Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched the Citizen Engagement and Communication Program at District Auditorium Tura on Wednesday, the 2nd of November 2022. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister maintained that the government has initiated various welfare programs and the information should be disseminated for the larger benefit of the public. He added that the program will aim to create the much-needed awareness amongst the masses so that people will have the correct information to avail benefits of the schemes being launched by the government. Informing government officials from across the Garo Hills, he asserted that it was imperative for the government to enlighten the masses about different programs of the government through outreach activities and prominently displaying information at block-level offices. The Chief Minister disclosed that information is knowledge and the public should be informed about initiatives being introduced by the government.